Starting a faceless YouTube channel is one of the smartest ways to begin online content creation without showing your face. Many people feel shy in front of the camera or do not want to be publicly visible, and that is completely okay. The good news is you can still build a successful YouTube channel, get views, and even earn money without ever appearing on a screen. In this video, I will explain everything in a very simple way so anyone can understand and start easily. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to grow online using the smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description, because by using the description link, any available benefit or access that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First, you need to understand what is a faceless YouTube channel. A faceless YouTube channel means you do not show your face in the video. Instead, you use voice, text, images, screen recordings, animations, or stock videos to explain something or tell a story. Many popular channels work like this, such as motivational videos, tech tutorials, story channels, fact videos, and relaxing content. The next important step is choosing the right topic for your channel. This part is very important because your topic decides your future growth. Choose something that people search for and also something you can easily make content about. For beginners, good ideas are tech tips, mobile apps, online earning ideas, simple tutorials, facts, quotes, storytelling, or screen recorded guides. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to learn and explain in a simple way. After choosing the topic, you need a basic plan for your videos. Think about what problem you are solving or what value you are giving. People come to YouTube to learn something, or to be entertained, or to be relaxed. Always keep the viewer in your mind. Your video should feel helpful, easy, and friendly. Now let's talk about content creation without showing face. For voice, you can simply using your mobile phone or a basic microphone. Do not worry about having a perfect accent or studio quality sound. Speak clearly and calmly. So your accent and voice is completely fine. People connect more with honesty than the perfection. If you really do not want to use your own voice, you can use the AI tools that are also available. But human voice builds more trust. For visual, you have many options. If you are teaching something, screen recording works best. If you are explaining ideas, you can use images, text animations, or stock videos. Many beginner-friendly apps and software allow you to combine voice and visuals without any technical knowledge. Even a low-end laptop or mobile phone is enough to start. Before moving forward, let me share one more very important thing that is many beginners ignore when starting a faceless YouTube channel, and that is copyright and reuse safety. This is extremely important if you want your channel to survive and grow safely. Many people think faceless means they can download random videos, clips, or images from the internet and upload them again. This is a big mistake. YouTube is very strict about the copyright. If you use content that you do not have the permission for, your video can get the copyright claims, strikes, or even channel termination. That's why you should always use the safe content sources. If you are using images or videos, try to use free stock platforms or create your own simple visuals. If you are doing screen recording, that is completely safe because you are showing your own screen. If you are explaining something with text and background visual, make sure those visuals are free to use and properly licensed. This keeps your channel safe in the long run. Another important thing is adding your own value. Even if you use the stock videos or screen recordings, your explanation, voice, and structure should be original. So do not copy someone's script word by word. Speak in your own way, explain things very simply, and add your personal understanding. YouTube likes the original content and viewers trust it more. Also, remember that faceless does not mean emotionless. Try to speak with energy, clarity, and confidence. Your voice is your personality. Even with a face, people should feel that a real human is talking to them. So this is what builds the connection and long-term subscribers. Editing is another area where beginners feel scared, but it does not need to be complicated. Your goal is not to make a movie. Your goal is to make the video that is clear and smooth. So you can just remove long silence or the match visual with your voice and keep the flow with a natural way. Simple editing already puts you ahead of many beginners. Then, when uploading, focus on title and thumbnail. Your title should clearly say what the video is about. Your thumbnail should be clean and easy to read, even without a face. Avoid too much text, simple design works better. Then let's talk to the consistency. Consistency matters more than the perfection. Uploading regularly, even once a week, this is better than uploading many videos and then stopping. So growth takes time, so be patient and focus on improving with every video. So that's it for today. Starting Faceless YouTube channel is completely possible if you stay consistent and keep learning. If this video helped you, give it a like and share it with someone who wants to start YouTube without showing their face. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.